Speed is the best app for super specialty preparation. I feel that whatever in the app is very clear and very organized, well organized. So if they follow it consistently, they can for sure crack NEET assessor.
I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members and team of Speed to Dr. Sushmitha for scoring a topmost rank of 64 in MCh OBG group. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Great. Now, can we know a brief background from where you started till date, what all you have done?
Yes, sir. I joined MBBS in 2012 in Dayalakshmi Srinivasan Medical College, Perambalur, Tamil Nadu. I completed MBBS in 2018 and joined MD OBG 2020 at Rajamutya Medical College, sir. Now it's Kadlur Government Medical College, Chidambaram. Then I completed after MDOG, I started working as a consultant in Aishwarya Fertility Center, sir, fertility consultant. Sir. So after entering into fertility center only, I got interested of doing NCH reproductive medicine. Sir.
Okay.
I don't know where to start, and I was having oscillation. I was working also, full time was working, and the patient load was also very good. So I don't know where to start and how to proceed. Then only I started preparation and gave last January I started my preparation, sir, 2024. That NEET I gave March 2024. I scored 142 rank. I didn't apply for any counseling, but if I would have applied, I would have got Ramchandra Medical College last time, MCh reproductive medicine. I was little hesitant. I still need to give my little more effort and then try. Now I gave and now I scored around 64. Now also I'm going to pursue MCH reproductive medicine only. I think now also I'll get Ramchandra Medical College only.
Congratulations. Great accomplishment.
Yes, sir. Thanks. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, number of questions you attempted. Can you share your experience on the paper you attempted?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I attended all the questions, sir. I didn't leave any questions. Actually, I felt that paper was a bit easy comparing to last time, and it was like, and it was very like I was just attempting another general test of speed, sir. It was very similar questions, and I felt that it was like just attempt almost all questions were very familiar, sir. Most less than 20 question only it's not familiar to me. Yes, sir. I thought the paper was easy and it's like attempting routine general test, our grand test only, sir. And compared to last paper, I felt there was more gynec oncology questions and the section like first section was full of gynec oncology and last section was full of reproductive medicine. This paper, all three section, I felt it's almost all questions are basics, sir. And I attempted all 200 questions, sir.
Very nice. Excellent.
Yes, sir.
150 questions, am I right?
Oh, sorry, sir. 150 questions. Yeah, I was writing MRB today, sir. So totally. Yeah, I wrote all 150 questions. All three sections, 50 questions. All 150 questions.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
So what will be your advice for the future aspirants?
Sir, I mean, when I was lost, I mean, I was a speed user before also, sir. When I was doing final year MBBS, I got failed in surgical practical, sir, surgery practical. So I got 6 months. I don't know what to do doing 6 months for surgery. That time I was attending face-to-face class in for NEET PG preparation in Trichy, sir.
Oh,
Then, yes, sir, yes, sir. I've met you in direct classes also, sir.
you know me already.
Yes, sir, I know you well, sir. That time, that 6 months also, I was following speed. I was preparing for NEET PG, sir. Now, actually, I was a renal transplant recipient, sir. Last to December 2020, four I underwent transplant, sir. So 3 months I was in isolation. I don't know what to do. I mean, I have a plan of pursuing MCH reproductive medicine, but that 3 months was I don't know. So I started preparation of that period only, sir. And I don't know where to start that time also. I always feel that my basics are little poor and not well and good enough in my basics. Then I again searched for platforms to start MCH preparations. Everywhere it was neat and every senior, everyone was advising it's speed, sir. Speed is the best app for super specialty preparation. Then I logged in and when starting itself, I know my basics are weak, so I logged in for 1 year course, sir. till this January lockdown. Then that 3 years was full, 3 months was full preparation, sir. First, 3 months I was in isolation, I was not working. Before giving my first NEET assess, it was full preparation, but that time only I scored 142. Now I joined again work, sir. After 4 months of isolation, I joined again. Now this NEET was not full-time preparation, sir. It's just a revision of what I studied in that 3 months, sir. So for aspirants, I feel that whatever in the app is very clear and very organized, well organized. So if they follow it consistently, they can for sure crack NEET assessor.
I'm really you're inspiring and I mean kind of
No, no, sir, no, sir. You are inspired, sir, for sure. In many ways, sir. Even in my face-to-face class, I felt, I mean, I was connected to you. I was, you are my one of my favorite teachers, sir.
thank you for that.
Yes, sir. So, and about Revati ma'am, I mean, most of my OBG knowledge now, I think it's from her class, sir. Because during PG period, we know we are working full-time working. I always felt that I'm lagging in all basics and subject knowledge, sir. So after logging into speed MCH group only, I think my basics improved and that even helping in my clinicals, sir, even my practice.
Very good, doctor. Great
Yes,
achievement.
yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Going on with that.
Yes,
So,
sir.
whom all you want to thank, you feel from day one till date, they supported you, helped you to what you are today.
Yes, sir. Of course, first is my parents, sir. In all ways in my supporting in my health and emotion, everything. And next to my husband, he's the main reason he motivated me to pursue MCH, sir. I don't think I never thought that after NEET PG, I'll give another one competitive exam, sir. And even after finishing post graduation, yeah, and again entering into student periods, sir. Now he motivated me to study further, and then only I started. Even now, I was not happy with my rank. I thought 64 is not good enough. He said, no, it's a big achievement, and out of 1,300 around, you have got 64. It's a good achievement, and for sure this year we are going to enter into MCH report medicine. And he encouraged me, sir. Then only I approached the team. It took 2-3 days to tell my rank to the team only, sir.
Excellent.
Second, my husband, sir. Then my in-laws. It's a joint family, sir. I'm staying with my father-in-law, mother-in-law, brother-in-law, and his wife. Everyone's. I was working and coming home and preparing, sir. Everyone was totally supporting, sir. And it always it's God's blessing, sir. I actually to be a healthier now and then focusing on my career and everything, sir.
Great, doctor. Wonderful. Once
Yes,
again,
sir. Yes,
all the best and all the success for a great and amazing and wonderful career in the super specialty of
yes, sir.
MCH.
Thank you.
Best wishes to you, my wholehearted
Yes,
wishes.
sir.
And
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. It's nice speaking to you, sir. Thank you.
great. And thank you for
Yes.
with us.